Hey, what's going on, everybody? Dave in here, always helping you play creatively. Today we're going to look at a song, Gratitude from Brandon Lake, but we're going to add some gospel ideas to it. Hey, let's go ahead and get right to it. Right now I'm going to go ahead and play the song for you, and then we're going to break it down right after, okay? Here we go. So I'll throw up my hands, praise you again and again, 'cause all that I have is a hallelujah. Hallelujah. I know it's not much, got nothing else fit for a king, but except for a heart singing hallelujah, hallelujah. All right, let's go ahead and break that down. First chord, we have an A major. All right. So I'll throw up my hands. Now, I'm playing left hand in the right. All right. Let's go to the next chord. So I'll throw up my hands, praise you again and So right there, that's going to be I'm looking at this as a B sus chord over a D sharp, okay? And then I'm adding that to it in my left hand. Okay, I also add that F sharp as well in my right. So I'll throw up my hands, praise you again and again. Now, same idea for the B chord we're doing over here on the E chord, okay? This is my E sus chord. I'm adding the B and then G sharp, E, F sharp. And then we go to except for a heart singing. So that's going to be a E minor, all right? Right hand, left hand. Singing, right hand, left hand. Now here's what we're going to do is we're going to stay on the D for our left, and then we're going to play some different chords in our right. Now that's going to be an E major for the right, okay? Hallelujah. That stays on the E major, just goes to second inversion. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Okay, so that's going to be an F sharp minor. Now look at how I'm playing it. Left, right. Now, here's where things get interesting. Right there, we're going to play an F sharp major in the right hand, and then a G 7, no third in the left, okay? Now the melody is here, but so you can choose to play the melody up there, but I sometimes like to not play the melody, which breaks one of my rules for sure. Yeah. So now let's pause there for a second, okay? You can just play those chords as is. But what I like to do, especially when things are more interesting harmonically, I may definitely add some color around that. So I might play this something like this. All right, that was really simple. And there I played a grace note on the B, okay? From the A to the B. All right. What is something else that I may do? I may come down to that A sharp note right there, okay? So all right. So I may find different things to play when I'm in that section, okay? Let's keep moving on with the song. So, hallelujah, I know it's not much, I got nothing else fit for a... So, I really like that move right there. All right, so that's going F sharp, right hand, left hand, E, right hand, left hand, okay? Right hand, left hand. Okay, so that's just simply a B over a D. Okay, and I'm making that a sus. For a king. Now we've played this chord before. This is going to be an E sus over a G sharp, and then we add some more notes really. All right. And now here I'm going to play this move, really simple. Ooh, so glorious. Except for a heart singing. So right there I'm playing that E7 again, but this time I'm playing a melodic idea. Except for a, so I'm just walking up from the G. Heart singing. Now right there I'm playing some diminished chords. That's going to be, the screen is going to say E diminished. Let's go with that for now. So E diminish, F diminish, and then we're to a G diminish, okay? I look at those chords a little bit differently. I'm looking at that as a C sharp diminish because my left hand is playing a C sharp right there. I'm looking at the second chord as a B diminished because my left hand is playing a B, and I'm looking at the last chord as a B flat diminished because my left hand is playing a B flat. All right, so I'm going in parallel motion. Sorry, contrary motion. So the melody is going up, but the bass is going down. And it's pretty cool. All right, so except for a heart singing, Alleluia. We've done that already. Alleluia. Right there, we're going to have a B diminish in our right hand with an E in the left. And I play the melody there. It's very crucial because I don't want to play this right away. Okay, so there you have the entire song. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. If there are other songs that you would like me to add some gospel ideas to, definitely drop those songs in the comment section below. If you would like to learn how I come up with these ideas, the process behind it, that's really important to me, and I know that's important to a lot of you guys, definitely go ahead and check out my courses at playcreatively.com, where we really do a deep dive into the mechanics of how this all works. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together.